Military uniforms often feature pixelated patterns, also known as digital camouflage, because these patterns are more effective at blending with various natural environments. Here's why pixelated camouflage works so well. Breaks up outlines. The pixelated geometric patterns break up the soldier's shape and outline, making it harder to spot from a distance or at a glance. Unlike traditional camouflage with larger, more organic shapes, digital patterns create a blurring effect that confuses the observer's perception. Blends with multiple environments. Digital camouflage patterns are versatile across different terrains. The pixelated design incorporates multiple shades that can work in wooded, desert, or urban areas, adapting to the environment by breaking down the wearer's shape into smaller, less recognizable elements. Effective across distances. Pixelated patterns work well both up close and at a distance. While large splotches of traditional camo might blend well up close, they can stand out from afar. Digital camo is designed to look natural and indistinct across various viewing ranges, maintaining concealment even when viewed from further away. Easier to produce. Digital patterns can be created using computer algorithms, making it simpler to design and reproduce consistent patterns for large quantities of uniforms. This modern approach to camouflage enhances concealment and adaptability, keeping soldiers better protected and harder to detect across diverse settings.